Hello, how y'all doing? My name is Jason. I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about thermostat wiring today. Thermostats, you have a few types of thermostats. You have straight cool thermostats and you have heat pump system thermostats. Today I'll be showing you how to wire up and the different components on a heat pump thermostat. Alright, so you have 6 wires in the heat pump thermostat. You have the red wire, which is 24 volts. You get power from that one. You have the blue wire, which is common, which allows constant power source to the thermostat. The yellow wire is for the fan and the compressor. It's what gives you cooling. The green wire is for your blower motor, your indoor air, inside your air handler. The white wire is for your electric strip. That's inside the top of that air handler. And you have O and B. You only have O and B in heat pump systems because when they energize and cool, the O is for to energize the reversing valve, and B is when they energize and heat. The B is energizes the reversing valve. All right, so I'm just going to wire up. So you get your red wire. You have R, G, Y, W, B, O, and C. So your red wire will go to R. And you screw that in. The yellow wire will go to Y, which is yellow. Make sure it's in. The green wire will go to G, which is green. White wire will go to W, which is for your electric heat strip. Blue wire is common, and that goes to C. And this is the heat pump thermostat, so it has the O or the B option. B will normally be dark blue or brown. And in this case, we have a little orange wire, so I'll put that to O. O is for orange, basically. And that's that screwed right in there. And just make sure all of the connections are tight. And that's basically how to wire up a heat pump thermostat.